Another way I use Soar is to host my artwork. I make maps of things. So my passport maps, little side business. I make maps of various places around the world, kind of more as a hobby, but in different styles, and I have them all listed here, and I sell them, and you can get them. But what I put in my website is this map locations tab, and I've linked this into Soar. So this is just an image, but if you click on that image, it will bring you to my profile page within Soar, and this is always going to get updated as I keep adding maps. It'll bring me to this page, and I've got 41 things that I've uploaded into Soar at this point, and that'll keep growing. I can easily click all user content, and I can see all the different maps that I put up, and I can just click on them, and it will bring me to those maps very quickly, and people can get more information about it. They can see where it is on the world. They can see that it's a real map, right? Real data. It's located in the right place. I can see other places around it. Other maps that I may have that kind of go with it, right? Or whatever it might be. Soar allows me to just upload it, put these links in, and easily link it into my website, and it just increases my visibility, which is very useful to me, right? So, and it's easy to do. It's easy to upload it into Soar, as we know at this point, and it's easy for me to get a link out of it, so I can spread it around, and hopefully drive some more business, right? So. There you go. Use Sorta to host your online portfolios.